detention bill. I'd also like to acknowledge the original sponsor of this law 12 years ago, Senator Pia Cayetano, who I'm sure is still supportive of its intent, which is basically to prevent the practice of detaining patients or deceased bodies in hospitals due to non-payment of hospital bills. Ang mga ospital ay dapat nang gagamot, hindi nagkukulong ng mga tao. Ang mga ospital ay lugar gamutan, hindi kulungan. Hospitals are health sanctuaries, not prisons. Patients are not prisoners. Sila ay mga pasyente, hindi mga detainees. Sa isang panahon na laganap ang iba't ibang uri ng sakit at epidemya at kung saan ang ilan sa ating mga opisyal, sa ating mga ospital, ay ginagawa pang mistulang hotel ng mga convicted drug at crime lords para sa kanilang staycation mula sa bilibid, ang mga ospital ay dapat nagbibigay ng pag-asa at lunas, hindi dagdag pasakit at pagdurusa. While I also understand that costs of hospitals must be covered for continued operations, the rights and liberty of patients are non-negotiable. Hospitals should be places where people suffering from various ailments find ample medical treatment and care in the hands of doctors, nurses, and other health professionals. Hospitals must not be seen as prisons, depriving patients of their liberty in the event that they have difficulty settling their medical